Hey there. So you're working on HubSpot. You have a lot of users. Your sales team is entirely on HubSpot. Your content team is working on HubSpot. Everybody is putting in day, night, time, and effort, a lot of stuff. But now you're running into issues that how do I sort of hierarchy inside HubSpot? Maybe I want that somebody has the power to approve content which goes live on my HubSpot website, and you are running into these sort of problems. So today I'm going to tell you how you can set up approval for the HubSpot website content that goes live. So guys, in order to set up approvals inside HubSpot, firstly click on the settings icon on the right. Now click on approvals on the left. This is something new. So click on approvals. Here you get the options to set up approvals for marketing emails, blog posts, landing pages, and website pages. So if I want to set up approvals for blog posts, so I have the options that only super admins can skip approvals, or maybe everyone can skip approvals. Then maybe there's no use of setting up approvals in the first place. Otherwise, there's an option which I can select that only users I choose can skip approvals. So that way I'll be able to control who is able to skip the approvals for posting posts, but otherwise only super admins can skip approvals. Works just fine. So select the option of your choice, then click on next, and you can now turn this on. So when this setting is turned on, only super admins will be able to skip approvals and publish blog posts directly. Otherwise, everybody else would need to get approval from me because I have set this up. So I'll just set this up, click on done, and now approvals for blog posts is live. Similarly, this can be applied to landing pages as well as website pages and marketing emails. So guys, I hope this was crystal clear, and in case you are still running into any sort of issues, you can really write down a comment below. It can be a big one. Hey, I'm running into issues. Or you can reach out to us for a free one-on-one consultation call via the QR code on the screen in front of you, or via the link in the description or pinned comment below. And I'll see you guys soon in the next video.